My name is Sohail Ashraf, and I am a CFO at JFI Jets. I started at JFI Jets in third quarter of 2012. This is a very new industry. Prior to joining JFI Jets, I did not have much knowledge other than I wanted to fly a plane. But I have been very fortunate. The CEO of the company, his name is Bob Seidel. He's a 30-year industry veteran. He has been a great mentor, and I've learned a lot from him. I also like to meet with people from my industry. Sometimes my competitors. I've reached out to some of the other CFOs to see, we don't talk about the bottom lines, but how we can improve our businesses. What are some of the new challenges in the industry? So I've learned a great deal by various people in the industry. JFI Jets manages and operates a private fleet of business jets. We have two locations. We have a facility in Farmingdale, New York, and we have a facility in Long Beach, California. In our facility in Long Beach, California, we have a fixed based operation where we sell fuel, perform maintenance, and provide hangar space of aircraft. We have our sales operations in Long Beach, California, in New York City, New York, and Nashville, Tennessee. The vast majority of business aviation is mid-size to smaller companies. A lot of these companies compete in a marketplace which demands flexibility, speed, productivity, and efficiency. So it is very critical for these businesses to compete in that competitive landscape. In addition to many these mid-sized companies, they perform businesses where commercial airlines has very limited or has eliminated services. So it is very vital for them to use the business aviation. Also, business aviation plays a great role in our economy. It's about $150 billion. It contributes $150 billion to U.S. economy, and it employs over 1 million people in U.S. The pricing power has been absent for several years due to oversupply. As the demand, especially in charter segment, is increasing, we believe that we'll see the prices to rise slowly and improve margins. Our plan is to grow organically by capturing more, by increasing our market share, and geographically by focusing in sales activities in desirable markets. We opened up a new office in 2012 in Nashville, Tennessee. We tend to open up a new office probably in third quarter of this year in Florida to capture that market. The most important priorities as a CFO in this business for me is managing cash flow. This is a very capital intensive industry, and the operating costs are very high with very thin margins. We have customers in many scenarios where we manage airplanes, and we're laying cash out of our pocket as much as 45 to 60 business days. So we need to ensure, or as my job as a CFO, to make sure we have enough money in reserve. As I mentioned, we have a lot of higher operating costs, such as pilot salaries, fuel costs, and many other administrative costs. The second thing I would say is in this business, I think is really vital for us is customer service. We at JFI Jets are very dedicated to providing excellent service.